Hello friends, now in this video I will explain the question paper for practice for mathematics 1. I will explain question number 1A, multiple choice question. Okay, now before that some instruction. All questions are compulsory. Use of calculator is not allowed. The numbers to the right of the questions indicates full marks. In case of MCQs, question number 1A, only the first atom will be evaluated and will be given credit. For MCQ, the correct alternative A, B, C or D of the answer with sub-questions number is to be written as an answer. Okay. Now we'll start the first question. Find the value of -1, determinant -1, 7, 2, 4. Now to find out the values, you can have this rug work. तुम्ही rug work असं करू शकता इथे. Those students who are from the same English medium, I will talk in Marathi also. -1 into 4, that is -4, minus 7 into 2, that is 14, is equals to -18. The answer is -18. Okay, and therefore the option C is the correct one. Here, therefore you can write here the answer C. Okay, and before that you must write here 1. This is the correct way to write the answer. या प्रकारे तुम्ही ते आन्सर लिहिलं गेलं पाहिजे. Okay, now the next question. For simultaneous equation in the variable x and y, if the dx is 49, dy is -63, d is 7, then what is the value of x? x ची value या ठिकाणी आपल्याला find out करायची. Therefore x is equals to, we know that, dx upon d. But what is the value of dx? dx is 49 and d is 7. Okay, and therefore here you will get, after simplification you will get 7 ones are 1 and 7 sevens are 49. Therefore the value of x is equals to 7. Therefore the option A is a correct one, and hence you can write here second. This is the A one. Okay, now the next. Again, find the value of the determinant. It's very simple. 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the questions from the chapter number 1. 2 into 5, you will get here 10. 4 into 3, -12, and that is equals to -2. Therefore, the value of the determinant is -2, and therefore you can write the answer 3. What is that? Here is a D in this way. Okay. Now the next question. For the simultaneous equations in variable x and y, dx is equals to 49, dy is -63, d is 7. Then what is the value of y? या ठिकाणी आपल्याला y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. ओके, therefore y is equals to, what is the formula? dy upon d. The value of dy is -63 and d is 7. 7 9 63. Therefore the value of y is -9, and hence the answer, that is in this way. Okay, now the next. To draw the graph of 3x plus 7y is equals to 27. Find x when y is equals to 3. y is equals to 3 दिला असताना x find out करायचं. त्यासाठी आपण काय करणार? या इक्वेशन मध्ये we will substitute y is equals to 3. Therefore, say this here, 3x plus 7y is equals to 27. Put y is equals to 3. That is 3x plus 7 into 3 that is equals to 27. Therefore 3x, 7 into 3 is 21, equals to 27. Therefore 3x is equals to 27 minus 21, and that's equals to 6. Therefore x is equals to 6 upon 3. Then you will get x is equals to 2. Okay. Therefore the option A is the correct one. Therefore you can write answer is A in this way. Okay. या प्रकारे तुम्हाला ते लिहिता येईल. Now the next question. हे सर्व क्वेश्चन चॅप्टर नंबर 1 वर विचारले गेलेले आहेत. To solve x plus y is equals to 3. 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 by determined method find d. Okay. d ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. Therefore first we can write the equation x plus y is equals to, in a standard form मध्ये लिहिणार ते 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. Okay. जर आपल्याला d इथे पाहिजे असेल then a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 या प्रकारे. The coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of x is 3, y is minus 2. 1 into minus 2, you will get minus 2. Minus 1 into 3, it is a 3. And therefore, d is equals to minus 5. d ची value किती आली? तर minus 5. Therefore, the option C is the correct one. And you can write it like this. 6 and C here. Okay. This way. Now the next question. Again, find the value of the determinant. Easy question है तो या साइडला से लिहिणार. Now see this here. 5 into minus 4, you will get minus 20 minus, and the product minus 7 into 3. या ठिकाणी 7 ला मायनस साइन आहे, त्यासाठी minus 20. This minus and minus multiplication will be plus. Therefore, here you will get 1. The value of the determinant d is 1, and therefore you can have the answer 7th. This is the to write the answer. Okay. Now the next, from the following questions, which is the quadratic equation? खालीलपैकी कोणतं quadratic equation तुम्हाला ते सांगायचं आहे. For that, हे simplification आपल्याला करायचे. Multiply on both sides by x. If you multiply on both sides by x, then what you will get? That is a x in bracket 5 upon x minus 3 x into x square. X into 5 by x, you will get 5. X into 3, that is you will get minus 3x. And overall here you will get x cubed. Therefore this is not the quadratic equation. Okay. Next, x in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 4. X into x, you will get x square. X into 5, you will get 5x. Therefore you will get the quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 4, and that's equals to 0. Therefore this is the quadratic equation, and म्हणून त्याचा आन्सर लिहिताना तुम्ही असे लिहिणार, this is the 8th one. The correct answer is B. Okay. Now the next one. Which of the following quadratic equation has roots 3 and 5? Okay. यासाठी ते quadratic equation आपल्याला सॉल्व करावं लागणार आहे. Okay. And therefore the quadratic equation, or if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation चे alpha आणि beta जर roots असतील तर x minus alpha x minus beta is equals to 0 या प्रकारे लिहिता येईल. Substitute the value of alpha as 3 and beta is 5. Therefore x minus 3, x minus 5, and that's equals to 0. Therefore, you will get x square. X into minus 3 minus 5x. Minus 3 into x minus 3x. Minus 5x minus 3x, you will get minus 8x. Minus 3 into minus 5, you will get plus 15, and that's equals to 0. मग कुठलं quadratic equation असेल तर x square minus 8x plus 15. That is option B is the correct one. Therefore, the 9, this is the sub question, and B, you can write here, the answer is B. Okay. या प्रकारे अल्फा आणि बीटा जर हे रूट्स असतील, कुठलंही क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचं असेल तर x minus alpha into next bracket x minus beta, simplify it, you will get the correct answer. Now the next question. Which of the following quadratic equation has the sum of roots minus 5? आपल्याला माहिती आहे की क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हे फॉर्म होताना सम ऑफ द रूट्स यासाठीचा फॉर्म्युला if ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then what about the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots काय असतात? Alpha plus beta, and that is equals to minus b upon a. First quadratic equation जर आपण इथे घेतलं, then what you will get? A is equals to comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. पहिल्या quadratic equationच्या बाबतीत a is equals to किती येणार? तर 3. b is equals to, आपल्याला दोनच व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे. b is equals to minus 15. And therefore you will get alpha plus beta. Here alpha plus beta is equals to minus in bracket minus 15. तर तुम्हाला ते प्लस मिळेल या ठिकाणी. ओके. And therefore you will get here 15 upon 3, and that is equals to 5. Therefore it is not the minus 5. What about the next? Second quadratic equation घेतलं इथे. The value of a is 1 and b is minus 5. Again जर आपण ते सॉल्व केलं, आपल्याला प्लस मिळणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी. ओके. And therefore alpha plus beta, and that is equals to minus in bracket minus 5 upon 1, and that is also plus 5, alpha plus beta. What about the third? Third जर घेतलं आपल्याला तिथे तर a is 1 and b is 3. Therefore you will get minus 3. But what about the last? 3x square plus 15x plus 3. Here the value of a for d, a is 3, b is equals to 15, and therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a, and that is minus 15 upon 3, that is equals to minus 5, and therefore the option D is a correct one. म्हणून आपण इथे लिहिणार 10 साठीचा. Okay, option D is a correct one. Okay. Sum of the roots are minus 5. Yeah. Now the next question. If the roots of x square plus kx plus k are real and equal, what is the value of k? कुठलाही quadratic equation जर आपण इथे घेतलं, x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. To determine whether the roots are real and equal, we must find out the discriminant, that is the delta, is equals to b square minus 4ac. For the roots real and equal, delta must be 0. Now we will compare this equation with a x square plus kx plus याच्याशी आपण तुलना करणार, compare करणार. What is the value of a, that is the coefficient of x square? A is equals to 1, b is equals to k, and c is equals to also k. Therefore the delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. b, that is a k, म्हणजे किती येणार? k square minus 4ac. 4a, the value of a is 1 and c is k. Therefore, and this all equals to 0. Roots real and equal असण्यासाठी the value of delta किती पाहिजे तर 0 पाहिजे. Therefore, k square minus 4k is equals to 0. Take k as a common. Then in bracket you will get k minus 4 is equals to 0. And hence k is equals to 0 or k minus 4 is equals to 0. म्हणजे काय ना k is equals to 4. Therefore, the option C is a correct one. म्हणून त्याचा आन्सर लिहिताना this is the sub question. This will be and the answer is a C. या प्रकारे. Okay. Roots real and equal असण्यासाठी condition discriminative delta is equals to 0 and you will get the answer. Now the next question. Root 5m square minus root 5m plus root 5 is equals to 0. Which of the following statement is true for this given equation? Roots are real and equal. Roots वर आहेत. There are the three roots. Three roots नाहीत त्याच्यामध्ये 101% because it is a quadratic equation. मग त्यासाठी काय की आपल्याला discriminant find out करावं लागणार यासाठी. Again we will compare the given equation with the am square plus bm plus c and that's equals to 0. What is the value of a? A means what? The coefficient of m square. That is equals to root of 5. The value of a. The value of b is minus the root of 5. The value of c is root 5. And therefore, discriminant value find out करना अपन. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. b ची value किती आहे? The b is minus the root of 5 bracket square minus 4. The value of a is the root of 5. C is again the root of 5. Minus root 5 square is a 5. Root 5 into root 5. Again it's a 5. Okay. 5 into minus 4. Minus 20. The value of delta is minus 15. Which is less than 0. As the delta is less than 0. Then we have the roots are not real. Okay. Delta ची value 0 आली. Then what you will get? The roots are real and equal. If the delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. But if the delta are negative असेल, the roots are not real. Okay. And therefore the option C is a correct one. म्हणून answer लिहिताना here is a 12 and correct answer is a C. Okay. Now the next question. Which of the following is not quadratic equation? Normal simplification. First is quadratic equation x square minus 4x. Okay. What about the second? Second मध्ये बघा इथे x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square. If I write here x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square. On both sides there is a x square that get cancelled. You will get 4x is equals to 11. Highest power of the x is 1. Therefore, it is not the quadratic equation. म्हणून option B हा correct आहे या ठिकाणी. Therefore, the answer 13. And I will write here answer is B. Okay. Now the next question. Now these are the questions from arithmetic progression. That is a chapter number 3. Find the value of the common difference for an AP. आता to find out the common difference. मग इथे काय करणार? This is the T1, T2, T3, T4. What about the T1 किती आहे? The T1 is minus 10. T2 is minus 6. And therefore, the common difference T means what? T2 minus इथे T1 करणार What about the T2 is minus 6 minus in bracket minus 10, and that minus and minus will become plus, and therefore you will get minus 6 plus 10, and that is equals to 4. This is the D. D is equals to 4. Okay, and therefore the option C is the correct one. म्हणून answer लिहिताना this is the sub question and C is the answer. Okay, या टाइपचे क्वेश्चन्स बोर्डच्या एक्झाम मध्ये मल्टिपल चॉईस म्हणून विचारले जातात. Now the next, for first four terms of an AB are whose first term is a minus 2 and the common difference is minus 2. First four terms आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे त्या ठिकाणी. फर्स्ट टर्म इज मायनस 2, सगळ्यांना मायनस 2 घेतलेला आहे. कॉमन डिफरन्स is a minus 2. Therefore, to find out the, therefore, here is a T1 is minus 2. To find out T2, then T1 plus D, that is minus 2. Minus 2, you will get minus 4. T3, T2 plus D, minus 4, minus 2, you will get here minus 6. That is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and last will be the minus 8. And in this way, therefore the option C is the correct one. Okay, and here is the answer. Answer लिखना 15 sub question, and C is the correct one here. Next, okay, if the numbers x minus 1, x plus 3, 3x plus 1 are in AB, then find the value of D. Now first इथे आपल्याला find out करायचं D. This is the T1. First term is x minus 1. T2, that is equals to x plus 3. What about the T2 minus T1? T2 minus T1 means what? X plus 3 in first bracket minus T2 किती आहे? X minus 1, and therefore after simplification x plus 3 minus x plus 1 plus x minus 1 get cancelled. 3 plus 1, and that's you will get 4. This is the D. Okay, the value of D is equals to 4, and therefore the option B is the correct one. Therefore we will write here the sub question, and the correct answer, that is B. Okay, now the next question, what is the sum of first 5 multiples of 3? 5 multiples of 3 means what? The first term 3, 6, 9, and the last will be the 15. And here A is equals to 3, D is equals to also 3, N is equals to 5. Therefore here we will apply the formula. आपला कुठला formula apply करणार? Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value. N is 5 by 2, 2 into 3 plus 5 minus 1 into 3, and after simplification you will get 5 by 2, 2 into 3, 6, 5 minus 1, 4 into 3, and here you will get 5 by 2, 4 plus, sorry, 6 plus 12, then you will get 18. Now next simplification, 2 ones are 2, 9 are 18, and 5 into 9, 45. Therefore the What is the sum of the first 5 multiples of 3? And that is here S5 is equals to 45. Therefore, the option A is the correct one. Therefore, the correct way. This is a sub question and the answer is A. Okay. या प्रकारे. Now the next question. या ठिकाणी एसएनचा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. Okay. For an AP, D is equals to 5, T18 minus T13. Okay. Here we will apply the formula. इथे कुठला Tn चा फॉर्म्युला आपण इथे घेणार. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the first T18 म्हणजे n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? तर 18 आहे. A नाही माहिती. N is 18 minus 1. The value of D is 5. Therefore, you will get A plus 17. 17 into 5. Therefore, you will get 85. Next, T13. A plus, here is a 13 minus 1 again into 5. Therefore, here A plus 60. What about the T18 minus T13? A plus 85 minus A plus 60. Simplification जर केलं तर plus A minus A will get cancelled. 85 minus 60 and therefore here you will get 25 and therefore the option C is the correct one. 19. The correct is a C. 85 minus 60 करणार या ठिकाणी. Plus A open the bracket केला तर plus A minus A will get cancelled. 85 minus 60. Therefore you will get here the 25. C is the correct one. Now the next question. For an AP, the first two terms are minus 3, 4. What is the 21st term? 21st term काय असेल ते आपल्याला find out करायचं. The first two terms means what? Here T1 is equals to minus 3. T2 is equals to 4. आपल्याला D माहिती पाहिजे या ठिकाणी. D is a T2 minus T1. T2 is a 4 minus in bracket minus 3 and therefore you will get 4 plus 3 and that is equals to 7. D is a 7 here. The value of D is equals to 7. 21st term means what? आपल्याला तो Tn चा फॉर्म्युला या ठिकाणी माहिती पाहिजे. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला A माहिती आहे. A means what? The first term. A is equals to minus 3. N is equals to 21. Substitute the value. T 21 is equals to. The value of A is minus 3. N means what? 21 minus 1 into D. D is a 7. Therefore, here you will get minus 3. 21 minus 1, you will get 20 into 7. And that is minus 3 plus 140. And that is you will get 137. And therefore, the option C is the correct one. या ठिकाणी option C कसा आहे तर तो correct आहे. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer sub question and here is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. आता पुढे financial planning chapter. In the format of GSTN, there are alpha numerals are, how many numerals are? 15. Therefore, the correct answer 21 is a sub question leader, and that's a correct answer. Alpha numerals असतात तर ते 15 numerals असतात. Okay. Now the next question. If probability वरती विचारला जातो कधी question. If n of a is equals to 2, p of a is 1 by 5, then n of s. मग p of a चा आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती. Probability of the any event that is equals to n of a upon n of s. हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. Okay. Now we know the probability आपल्याला माहिती आहे. What is that? It is 1 by 5. And n of a is 2. We want to find out n of s ची value आपल्याला find out करायची आहे. Okay, cross multiplication n of s into 1. Then therefore you will get n of s 1 into 5. Sorry, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 you will get 10. Therefore the n of s is 10. Therefore the option C is the correct one. 22. Option C is the correct one. Okay. Now the next question. Which number cannot represent a probability? Kuthli probability? It lies between 0 and 1, equal to 0 or equal to 1 also. माहिती आहे की any probability, it lies between probability of event A is always lies between 0 and 1, equal to 0 पण असू शकते, equal to 1 पण. Therefore, which number cannot represent a probability? More than 1, it is 1.5. Therefore, this is not the probability. 2 by 3, this is the probability. 15% means what? 15 upon 100. 15% means what? Well, sorry, 15% or more, but 15 upon 100, you will get 0.15. That is a 0.15. Therefore, it is also lies between 0 and 1. 0.7. All these lies between 0 and 1, but the option A, it's a greater than 1. Therefore, this is not the probability. म्हणून त्याचा आन्सर लिहिताना, that is the 23rd sub question, and the answer is A. Okay. Now the next question. Again the same question. Which of the following number cannot represent a probability? This lies between 0 and 1. Now the option B is the correct one. It's a greater than 1. Therefore the correct answer is B. It does not represent a probability. 15%, 0.7, all these lies between 0 and 1. Okay. कुठलं wrong आहे मग? B हा option कसा आहे तर wrong आहे या ठिकाणी. That probability is a greater than 1. Now the next. There are 40 cards in a bag. Each bears a number 1 to 40. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card bears a number which is multiple of 5? 1 to 40 आहे त्यामध्ये. And if the cards are 1 to 40, therefore here I will write here S. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and 5, 6, and in this way the last will be the 40. All are the multiples of 5. तर या ठिकाणी आपण multiples of 5 जर consider केले तर 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in this way. Therefore the multiples of 5 are, that is the event 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. How many all these are? The 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. हे सर्व किती असतील तर 8 असतील. What about here? N of S. N of S is equals to 40. Okay. आणि N of A किती असणार या ठिकाणी? N of A that is equals to 8. Therefore, to find out the probability, okay, the probability P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. या प्रकारे N of A is 8, P of A is N of S is 40. Simplify calendar, you will get P of A is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, the required probability is 1 by 5. Okay. म्हणून आन्सर लिहिताना पुढे इथे 25. दिस इज द सब क्वेश्चन आणि त्याचा आन्सर किती तर A is the answer. Okay, in this way. This easy question. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card bears a number which is multiple of 5? Multiple of 5. Okay, next. A die is rolled. What is the probability that the number appearing on the upper face is less than 3? Die is rolled. Therefore, S is equals to, मग त्याचा sample space किती असेल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is a 6. Therefore, N of S is equals to 6. The number appearing on the upper face is less than 3. Therefore, the event काय मग त्याच्यातला it is a 1 less than 3 पाहिजे आपल्याला. Therefore, the N of A is equals to 2. Therefore, P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. What about the P of A? N of A is 2 by 6 and that is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay. 1 by 3 probability कुठे? The option B is the correct one. Okay. Therefore, 26 answer is B. The probability is a 1 by 3. Now the next one. If N of A is 2, P of A is 1 by 5, then find out N of S. या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम पुन्हा केलेला आहे. मग P of A चा फॉर्म्युला probability of the event A is equals to N of A, number of the points in event, upon number of the points in sample space. What is the P of A किती दिलाय त्याने 1 by 5 and that is equals to N of A. N of A is 2. We want to find out N of S. या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम केलाय. इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार आपण. N of S is equals to 5 into 2, that is equals to 10. Therefore, the option A is the correct one. Therefore, we will write the answer like this. Sub question 27. Answer option A is A. Okay. Now the next. Cumulative frequency in a group frequency table are useful to find out. To find out the median, we use the cumulative frequency because the formula for median is it's like this. Okay, median, the lower class unit, n upon 2 minus CF, that is the cumulative frequency, upon F into H. Median find out करण्यासाठी आपण काय तर cumulative frequency चा फॉर्म्युला cumulative frequency आपण वापरत असतो. Therefore, the cumulative frequency in a group frequency table are useful to find out the median. Therefore, the correct answer sub question is 28 and the answer is B. Okay. Now the next. What is the rate of GST on essential commodity? The rate of GST on the essential commodity is 0%. Therefore, the sub question 29 and his answer is D. Okay, essential ज्या कम्युनिटीत असतात त्यावरती जीएसटी किती असतो तर 0 असतो. Okay, therefore the option D is the correct one. Next is again the question on the quadratic equation. Which of the following is the value of the discriminant for root 2 into x square minus 5x plus root 2. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What is the value of a? A is equals to root 2, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to root 2. Therefore, the discriminant delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 5 bracket square minus 4 a into c. A is root 2 and c is also root 2. Minus 5 square is 25. Root 2 into root 2, that is a 2. 2 into 4, 8 येणार त्यामध्ये. Okay. 25 minus 8 and therefore you will get 17. The value of discriminant delta is 17. Okay. म्हणून answer 30. Sub question. The correct answer is B. Okay. Now the next. And in this way, we have completed question number 1A. Question number 1A या ठिकाणी आपण पूर्ण केलेला आहे. Now we'll see in the next video for the question number 1B. Till then, goodbye.